me like, you can like come stay with us. He's like, I believe in us. We are equal. It's just it's a couple of people that ruin it for the rest.
Bueno, depende.
Well, Christians don't fuck things with Catholics, every
Yeah.
religion, yeah.
But
Can be spicy.
also, they stopped, right? And they still keep going.
Oh, well, man, we still got the polygamous cult family of Scientology. They still do some weird shit.
But it's not as bad as like Taliban or ISIS.
Yeah.
Or Hezbollah or the Palestinians with their terrorist group.
You know that game you play where you like put the card on somebody's head and you write like the name, and then they have to like guess.
Oh, guess who it is.
So we all do that all camping, and what was the night and straight out I was like, and he took me. He was the last of us to guess. I'm like, come on, mate, like, you gotta get this. And he's like, who is he? Like, we did like the worst ones. Like my friend, I forgot who hers was, but her boyfriend put like a black flint star on her head. That's who she was. I just got Channing Tatum. I was like, that's shit. I still couldn't even guess it because they said to me he rides bikes in a movie. I said he rides bikes in a movie. Seriously.
Wow.
That was my hint.
Wow.
And they said I was like, is he a superhero? With my friends like, he could be. He could be if you wanted him to be. And I'm like, dude, like, you're making this so hard for me. But yeah, we love getting spicy.
That sounds, yeah, I mean, that
As soon
sounds
as you
pretty
said
fun.
that, he was like,
You ever played Cards Against Humanity?
Yeah.
It's kind of like that.
Yeah, little different.
Yeah.
Actually, in year 10 we went to a ski trip up to a Baptist Christian school. So cards against humanity is definitely off the table, but I know he explained to my first teacher really what it was. So he's like, yeah, we'll play that at the table. So I pull it out. We're all playing it, and this one teacher, she was a bitch. But he's showing me his card, and like everyone's being reserved because we're playing with a teacher, like a Christian teacher. So everyone's putting down like really like nice cards, not funny.
No.
And he is putting down the dirty shit, like
messed up.
Pac-Man, Guzzling,
Just pure evil.
Daniel Radcliffe, the vicious asshole.
Oh,
the
yeah.
worst card they're showing me is ugly. And like everyone's like, and then one of the teachers walks behind her, what's this game? But because he was playing as a teacher, she couldn't like do shit. She was like, oh, I don't think this game's very good. And he's like, no, it's fine. And I'm like, ha ha ha.
Okay.
So that's how you win at a Christian school. You get the teacher in.
And that's okay.
You get him to play it.
So I had this friend. He was like extremely a Mormon, like into Mormonism.
Yeah.
You couldn't say like stuff like, sex, swear words, or like asshole, all that stuff, without him like trying to like cuff and like cover it, or like if you see if we're like watching a movie and the like profanity like is in the movie, he'll like cover his eyes or like
Did you get married young?
yeah, and then his wife cheated on him, and then like 3 months later he got married again.
Yeah.
Like,
I just Catholic girl in the uni who always used to chat. Straight after school, she got married. Like heaps of Christian girls as well. That families were like real into the church. Like they all, as soon as school finished, like 17, 18, it was like married.
oh,
You know, they just want to have sex.
yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah.
And I said to her, I was like, have you ever like done anything like, sexual wise? Because there is ways around bending the rules. And I was like, so you've done everything else.
Okay.
You just haven't done the deed.
The Mormons, I forgot what it's called, but there's this thing where they have a third person.
Yeah. Oh.
And the third and
I was worried about that one.
and the third person is like grabbing like the guy's hips, and he's like and shaking the person.
Right. So
Right?
that's
That's
their ways around it.
yeah. There's a loophole.
Even our kind of Christian teachers, like, cause, some of them don't know what about like Eve and slaves before marriage, and like, yep, but there's ways around it. I'm like, I don't get it. Like, there's only been one. That isn't silly. Sorry, rain on the parade.
Yeah.
But why is one way worse than the others? It's not too kind of weird when you think about it.
What?
Well, like, headship's kind of weirder.
No. Yeah.
When you think about it. Like, do a lot of animals give each other head? Probably not. Have you seen animals ever doing that?
Yeah. Dogs.
Dogs? Yeah, dogs do it.
Yeah.
I mean, they lick everything though. They
But
lick each other's assholes. I don't know if they get off to it though. I've never seen a dog like.
yeah. Fair enough.
Actually, and most animals, it kind of just looks like they're having sex and one of them's getting raped.
Dogs. Dogs get raped.
Yeah, I think most of them got a situation going on with animals. Except birds.
Well,
Birds are like, they find a mate for life and then that's
some
it.
of them.
Huh?
Some of them.
Oh, most birds are like monotonous creatures. That's why you
Yeah.
can't have mirrors in their cage, because they fall in love with the mirror and then they never want to bar of you again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's
I
kinda
didn't know
sad.
that.
Yeah.
That's sad.
So, but yeah, I think my bird thinks that I'm her lover.
Oh. That's
Kinda
nice.
cute.
That is.
I don't buy her though. My sister like hand raised her, but then she was like, you take better care of her. So
There you go.
got a friend for 25 years. She's only a little bird, so she lives that long. But if you're gonna get a big bird, bloody hell.
I had my parrot kidnapped.
What?
My parrot got kidnapped.
Oh.
It was so messed up. And it was my grandma's too.
Did it
And
talk?
I mean, I showed him some tricks, like he could whistle and do like that.
Mine
And
can talk, but not like.
no, but no, but he was old.
Oh.
That's the thing. And oh my god, they freaking stole him. And that was in Mexico. That
I
was so
always worry
annoying.
about my bird because now she's become like that species. They have them in WA and South Australia where I'm from, but because they're rock pebblers or they're like ground dwellers, they like to like eat stuff that's before they're becoming endangered. And I'm like, oh, there's so many endangered birds in your house, it's never done on purpose. And like, they never come to get it.
Yeah. Oh.
It's my best friend. Like, I go to the toilet, she follows me in the toilet. I'm doing the
Oh
dishes,
really?
she wants to bath in the dishes.
Does she fly or?
Oh yeah, she flies.
Oh nice.
I don't have the wings for it, but I think it's cool as fuck. She's like, it's like I'm a pirate and a sidekick.
That's
She
cool.
sits
Like
on my shoulder.
yeah, like Pirates of the Caribbean. Instead of a monkey, you have like a bird.
Yeah, I have
Yeah,
a
that's cool.
She says, always, come on, fuck
Oh.
you, fuck off. Kisses, she'll give you a kiss.
Oh.
Sometimes she bites you though.
Oh.
And I'm like,
Still.
that wasn't very nice. Kisses. Tries to rip your lip off. I'm like,
Oh
you
really?
little girl. And her favourite is, what are you doing? Come on. She wolf whistles, which is embarrassing when we have workers coming over, because she has someone fixing the fridge. And she's like, and then she's like, what are you doing? And like, she didn't notice it on the third page, because it was like here, and the fridge is here, so I was like, can I hit it? And he's like, I'm fixing the fridge. And he looks at me and I'm like, bird.
Oh.
Because I'm not wolf whistling behind the kitchen.
Yeah.
Especially in the pajamas watching TV shows. It's not a good time.